What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, gonna be doing something a little different, something I should have done a long time ago. We're gonna do paint protection film on my iPad Pro. So we're gonna do the tinted stuff on the back, see how that looks, and then just regular PPF on the front. I'm at my buddy Eric's shop here. Eric's gonna cut out the templates for me. Okay, get this cut out, and then we're gonna head back to my place and do the install. Alright guys, so Eric's got it all cut up for me now. We got the tinted stuff for the back and we have the clear for the front. Just want to let you guys know, Eric has a YouTube channel where he does installs on with Expel's paint protection film. I'll link that down below if you guys want to go check him out. Go subscribe, help him grow that channel, please. See you guys back at the house. Well guys, here we are back in the studio, my basement in other words. Ready to do the paint protection film that we just got cut on the back and the front of the iPad. We're going to start with the front or the back because I want to see how it looks with the tinted stuff that we cut out. We didn't cut out the camera. For some reason that didn't have the right camera on there on the cut profile. That's alright, we can lay it all in place. I will cut around the camera, it's all good. I'm not afraid of cutting PPF. So make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and let's get this going. Alright, so now we have the iPad here. We got it cleaned off, ISO. We have our template here. This is GSWF's 70% tinted PPF. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take some of my slip solution, just a little mist on there, and then as I take this off the back of here, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm not gonna use a lot because this is an electronic device that we are doing. I don't want to get it soaked. I do have all of the holes on the side of the iPad. I have them all covered with tape. So we're gonna go ahead and lay that down. I was really hoping this would cover it edge to edge a little bit better. Sadly, that doesn't seem to be the case here, but that's okay, we can work with this. So there we go. Let's lay it down. We've got enough slip solution underneath it. I think you guys can see that fully right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just a little bit of my slip solution over top. I'm gonna take my squeegee. I've got it where it's all even, gapping. I might end up changing this, but it should be okay. It's always in a case. We'll start from the center, work our way out. Just gonna make a little bit of a mess. Just do the same thing going to the other side, just pushing it out. There we go, that's all on nicely. I actually do like how that adds a little bit to the, that's a little bit of flair to the iPad. Not so plain. Now really all I need to do is I need to trim out this by the camera there, but I need to be able to get it tacked in first. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a hard card. Okay, I'm going to now just put in light pressure, just enough to score the film. The reason it doesn't want to stick right now is because I don't have enough cut. If I had it flush at the bottom here, it would be coming off really nice. But I want it to be laid down before I cut that far, because otherwise it's going to be moving around, kind of like what it did when I was cutting around the lens there, and it doesn't give a clean cut that way. So I'll just keep playing with it a little bit. Scored our film. Now we can lay it down. No problem. Just like that. There we go, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and post heat this. Get this all heated up nice. I think this looks good with the light tint on there. Go ahead and take that off. I had that covering my speakers. I think this looks pretty sweet. Although I'm going to recover it in a second here to do the screen. Let me know what you guys think of this. If you would do this to your iPad, comment down below. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Still a ways to go, but we're working on it. This is probably the backdrop I should have been using the whole time. I just figured out that I had this. So we're switching over to it for this part. Okay, so we got the whole soap situation in. We got centered where I think it's gonna work pretty good. We can start squeegeeing this down. I'm actually gonna go ahead and start with a little squeegee. And I'm just gonna work my way. Look at that. We're gonna go across. You can pull it a little bit after you have it tacked in like that. I'm gonna pull there to try to get that corner a little better. And then here I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pull to this side as I squeegee. Paint protection film does have a decent amount of stretch. Let's go with strength of the film. That was going to happen. Stretch this into this corner. Off. Make sure we got no bubbles. Take my tape off. Now you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it here, there is some scratching along here. If I hold it properly. Either way, there's some scratching here. Nice thing about this film, and the fact that it is paint protection, self-healing, I can just taking out all the scratches by doing this. And we're also post-heating in the process, which is exactly what we want. Wipe this down. Voila. Look at that. Super clean install. Front and back. There we go. Fun little install. Hadn't done one of these before. Now I can't say that anymore. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts down below. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys check out all those links down in the description. Have a good one. Peace.